Hi, Cody from HT Florida. We're bringing you another bike in our comparison series. This one's not so much a comparison, we're just showing you a collection from Harley-Davidson that we added to this Softail standard. You can look at some of our other videos. We do have a review video on the Softail standard in stock trim. We've also compared the Softail standard to Street Bob and Lowrider S. This is actually a kit that Harley-Davidson built specifically for the Softail standard. It's called the Coastal Kit. So starting up front, we've got a little quarter fairing with a smoked windscreen. It's also got the Moto 1-inch bars and Moto risers specifically for the Softail standard. So they did integrate the factory gauges straight in there. It came with the Rider 80 grit accessory foot pegs and the Bevel Premium 2-up seat. So something that's going to be a little different from the way this bike sits and rides compared to a stock one is that you're sitting back and a little down in the seat. So the seat sits really flat, but it is really comfortable when you put your feet up. Also to note, bars are a little narrow and they're a little forward, so you're sitting arms more stretched out. This is a really nice riding position for hitting corners. Thanks for joining us. Stay tuned for a future episode where we do a review on this motorcycle. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below and we'll see you next time.